Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I did this super blingy gold nail set. Now I'm not a professional by any means, but I really enjoyed doing these nails, so if you guys want to see how I did them, then keep on watching this video. To start off, I'm prepping the cuticles by pushing them back and removing the excess dead skin. Then I'm buffing the surface of the nails just to help with adhesion. And also to further prevent lifting, I'm taking a nail dehydrator and acid-free primer. So the medium I'm using is POLYGEL, but for the index fingers, because I'm doing a clear glitter encapsulation, I'm actually using clear acrylic. The reason why I'm doing this is because I found clear POLYGEL, or at least the ones I have, are nowhere as clear as acrylic. I'm just taking a form and some monomer and clear acrylic powder, and I'm not really the best at acrylic. It's the hardest medium in my opinion, and I haven't really done acrylic all that often, so please bear with me in this video. But anyways, I'm taking some relatively thin beads of acrylic because we are doing a glitter encapsulation. I'm just applying it to the nail like so. Then I'm taking a mix of different gold glitters and I'm applying that to the nail like so with a clear bead. And then I'm dragging the remaining glitter pieces towards the bottom of the nail to help create that cascading glitter effect. And you want to keep on doing that until you are happy with the glitter placement and density. Then I'm taking a clear bead of acrylic, and again my liquid to powder ratio was really off for this one, but I'm just using it to encapsulate all the glitter. And once the acrylic has fully cured, I'm removing the form, and to help with filing I'm taking some cuticle clippers and creating a preliminary coffin shape. Then I'm taking a 100/180 grit file and just buffing everything out and fixing all my mistakes. And then I'm removing the excess dust with some rubbing alcohol, and to really get that glass-like effect, I'm taking some gel top coat and applying it to not only the top of the nail, but also the underneath of the nail. And that is it for the index fingers. So for the rest of the fingers, as I mentioned earlier, I'm using POLYGEL, so I'm taking some gel base coat as my base, and then I'm taking a dual form, some POLYGEL, and putting it inside the dual form. And with POLYGEL, you use rubbing alcohol as your slip solution. It doesn't smell nearly as bad as monomer, and you can work with POLYGEL as long as you want because it doesn't cure until you put it underneath the lamp. And dual forms pretty much do majority of the shaping work for you. You are really just sculpting it underneath of the nail actually. Once you're happy with that, you're going to place it on the nail, make sure there's no air bubbles or gaps, cure it, and then gently pop off the dual form. And once again, I'm taking some cuticle clippers to help with filing. POLYGEL is much easier to file because it's not as hard as acrylic. And since I really like the color of the POLYGEL, I'm just going to take some white and sponge it on the tip of the nail to create gradient, cure it, and then apply a stripe of gold tape down the center. I applied a layer of top coat to seal the tape, and then I'm taking some jewelry gel and the champagne gold crystals and applying it in a V-shaped formation like so. Next, for the ring finger, I'm taking a layer of gel top coat, and then I'm going to take some gold powder and sponge it onto the nail at first, just to distribute it. And then I'm rubbing it in with my finger. Now, because this gold powder I had wasn't as finely milled as some other gold powders, I did have to rub it in a lot longer, and I used a second coat here. I didn't show this on camera, but I went ahead, applied a layer of top coat, repeated the process, and then applied a final layer of top coat to really get the gold powder to be opaque. Then for the thumbs, I took this gold chrome flake powder. I want to apply it kind of randomly around the nail. There really is no kind of rhyme or reason, I just applied it where I felt like I needed it. And you want to take a generous amount of gel top coat and float the brush across the nail just so that you don't move the flakes around. And then obviously cure it, and that is it for the manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments down below. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!